welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni. Let's look at today's top health highlights. An effective obesity drug has now been approved for teens. The Food and Drug Administration has recently expanded the eligibility of an effective obesity drug known as Wegovy to children as young as 12. In a clinical trial, children who took Wegovy lost far more weight than those who took a placebo. The label expansion is the latest success for this new generation of obesity treatments, though the drugs themselves continue to be in short supply and expensive without insurance coverage. The FDA approved Wegovy in June 2021 for adults with a BMI over 30 or with a BMI over 27 and at least one possibly weight-related condition such as high blood pressure. It was the first new obesity treatment approved in 7 years. However, the active ingredient of Wegovy, called semaglutide, had previously been approved in a lower dose formulations by the FDA for type 2 diabetes in 2017, sold under the brand name Ozempic. Both Wegovy and Ozempic are made by the Danish pharmaceutical Novo Nordisk. According to the results of the company's STEP Teens trial published last month in the New England Journal of Medicine, teens who took the drug lost an average 14.7% of their initial body weight over a year's time, while those on placebo gained 2.7% on average. The treatment group also saw an average 16.1% loss in BMI compared to a 0.6% increase in the placebo group. The safety profile of Wegovy seems to be similar in teens. The most common adverse events reported in these trials include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, which often appeared early on in treatment as people gradually increased their dosage and waned over time. The rate of discontinuation or people who decide to stop taking treatment was low and similar across both groups, around 5%. Novo Nordisk has claimed that these supply issues will be cleared up early next year, but even if that happens, Wegovy and similar drugs expected to be approved soon will remain out of reach for many people due to their hefty price tag. Obesity drugs in general are not eligible to be covered by Medicare currently, and many private insurers have been reluctant to cover Wegovy so far. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.